Hello everyone, welcome back. So today we're gonna head off to the beach. So you got your sunscreen on. I don't know why you're wearing socks. Socks by beach. Okay, where are you? There you are. Okay, make sure. Let's see where we gonna get for the beach outing.
Yeah, we're going in a beach.
Yeah. So what are you gonna get then? You have to bring some toys. Okay, you have to bring some toys to the beach. So let's see. You wanna bring a dump truck? Oh, be careful. You got your dump truck here. You want a dump truck? Okay, one dump truck, one excavator, and
And it stayed outside.
okay, so you got the dump truck here, and then we got the excavator and your garbage truck. That's the other one. The garbage truck. Hi, Anthony. Oh, is there something in the back of the garbage truck?
Nothing.
Nothing. Oh, okay. You want to put that in there? Yeah. Okay, that's good. Here's your dump truck. I'll help you carry. Okay, next stop, the beach. Okay, here we are. Ooh, finally at the beach. It's so windy today. At the beach, at the beach, at the beach. At the beach, at the beach, at the beach, beach. Anton, look at the water. Go play like next to the water over there. Over there. Over here. Here, there's a place over here, Anthony. Come. Up over here. Over here, there's like a sand over here, Anthony. Over here. Wow, look at the ocean. Yeah, that's the boat again. Do you see the boat, Anthony? Okay. Now we got the garbage truck. You got your garbage truck and you got your shoes, slippers with your socks. Why do you wear socks, Anthony? Yeah. Oh my gosh, there's so much wind. Wear some socks. Man, holy moly, there's a lot of wind over here. It's such a windy day. Yeah, Anthony, it's such a windy day. It's so bright and sunny. Why do we come there in the middle of the day? Yeah, Anthony, we should come later. Okay, so here we are at the beach, everyone. Okay, finally got back. Looks like what are we playing now? Playing sand, yes. And you got your little excavator, and your garbage truck. Where's your dump truck? Oh, your dump truck's in the garbage truck. Wow, look at the sand. Look at the ocean. Oh my God, it's windy. Is the wind blowing sand in your eyes, Anthony? Why don't you be like Papa? Turn face away from the wind. Yeah, like that. Yeah. Oh yeah. You know what I'll do? I'll move this so that you don't get the sand in your face. Oh my God, everyone is. Oh my goodness, it's like so windy. It's such a windy day. Oh my gosh, look at the ocean. Oh, it's so nice, the ocean. Look at how clear it is. It's so very clear. Wow, what a beautiful ocean view. I see a boat in the horizon. I see another boat there. Here's Anthony. And there's Anthony. Okay. So here we go. I think I'm gonna stay on this side. Downwind from you. So that you can avoid having the wind blow sand in your eyes. Yeah, Anthony. So let's see what you got in your garbage truck. Oh, you know, I think your dump truck is in the back of here. Yeah, I think there's a dump truck in here. Let me see. Where is it? Oh, there it is. There's your dump truck. Looks like you got a yellow dump truck and a green garbage truck. Yeah, Anthony.
The water.
Oh my goodness, the water. SK is still far away. It's probably high tide. Look at your face. Anthony, you're gonna need a haircut pretty soon. I'm gonna give you one at home. Okay, and yeah, the water. Nice, the water, yeah, Anthony, though. Nice and fresh? Yeah, it is nice and fresh, yeah. Yeah, it is nice and fresh. Okay, so here we go. Yeah. How many trash cans, how many garbage cans do you have? 3. 3 on this windy day. Make sure it doesn't blow away. You got a red, green, and the blue.
I guess I'm putting all the sand in the blue and the red and white in the middle and outside.
Yeah. Holy moly, it's very windy now. I see those birds though. Those birds look like they don't mind the wind. Yeah, Anthony. Uh-oh. Here comes the wave again. That's okay. Oh, there's another big one. Oh boy. Ah, see that? It doesn't come all the way up here. Almost though. Oh. I think like you're swimming. Can you imagine swimming over there? Oh, it's kind of a little rough. It's a little rough, Andy. Yeah. One day we're gonna take you go swimming lessons. You wanna go swimming lessons? Look at your face. Oh my goodness, Anthony. It's sunny and it's windy. But at least it's cool. At least with the wind is cool, yeah, Anthony. Okay, let's see. So you got the garbage. You got the 3 garbage cans. Red, green, and blue. Let's see. Let's get the red one. Okay. And the green one. Send them up again. Excavator. Isn't the excavator? Where's the garbage? Where's the dump truck? I think the dump truck is on the other side here. Okay. Wait. Oh. There we go. Oh boy. So now you can just. Why do you wear socks to the beach, Anthony?
I don't play them.
Oh, you like to play with them? You like to play with your socks? Dump sand in the garbage truck. I mean, in the dump truck. Anthony, so where's the excavator? You need the excavator to dump the sand. Anthony, you're dancing in the wind. Okay, and there goes the garbage truck. Emptying into the garbage. I mean the dump truck. And huh? Whoa. Try that again? That's a lot of wind, Anthony, yeah? That's a lot of wind. Look, another garbage truck's full. I think we have to go ahead and dump this rubbish and dump this sand into the garbage can. Oh, not enough. Oh no. Ta-da. Okay, Anthony, the garbage cans are waiting for you to pick them up. Huh? Ah, no, we didn't bring a shovel. Oh, Anthony, do you see the airplane? No, over there. In the sky, look. Yeah, you can see it. Wow, that's a big airplane. And there's a big boat there. Imagine if there was a rocket ship right there. Is there a rocket ship right there? No. Yeah. Get back to your garbage truck and your dump truck. Andy, you still didn't pick up these 2 garbage cans. They're full of rubbish. They're waiting for you. Whoa, okay. Oh, is that how you gonna... Oh, okay. I thought you were gonna pick it up with the garbage truck. How many scoops of sand is that? How many scoops? Oh my god, the sand is growing stronger now. Oh my god, he's getting stronger. Okay, I have to protect Anthony. Oh my god. I have to protect you from the sand, Anthony. Are you okay? Oh my gosh. It's windier now. Woo. Okay. You okay? It's stingy, yeah? It's stingy when the sand hits you when the wind is strong. Oh my god, I remember before. When I was small and I go to the beach, when the sand hits you, it's so stingy, Anthony. I wonder how windy it is. Let's see if I hold this up. How windy? Oh, that's kind of windy. If this was a real garbage can, and this is how strong the wind was, that'd be pretty strong, Anthony. Emptying the garbage can. So your goal is to basically fill up the garbage truck with sand. Can I open the back? Can we open the back to see how much sand there is inside? Oh, I see. You have to shake it. Anthony. So let's count how many. Scoops can fill up the garbage can. Oh, you filled it up already. You filled up while Dad was looking at the plane. Okay, good. Thank you, Anthony. Let me fill up one. Okay, so I got the red one here. Okay, let's see. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. There you go, sir. 5 scoops. Can you empty? Can we open back to see how much sand is in the back? I'm afraid to do this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh, not that bad. Oh, sorry, Auntie. Okay. Yeah, seal it up good. You gotta fill it up now. Yay! What are you doing? Oh no. Well, that's it. I guess this is we're gonna stay here, spend a few more minutes here, maybe a half an hour. Yeah, Anthony, enjoying the sun before we go ahead and grab lunch. Okay, thank you everyone for joining us for this simple day at the beach and the ocean and the wind and the boats and the planes. Yeah, Anthony. I do see the boat. Thank you for watching our video. Bye bye. See you next time. Bye. Take care, everybody. Please take care, everyone. Please take care, everybody. Beach day.